This secret website will pay you $10 for uploading PDF files. And I'm going to be showing you the practical steps we'll be using for you to be able to get some materials that you can share on this particular website for you to continue to earn unlimited $10 each time that a student views any of your documents. I'm sure that probably you'll be looking at yourself, you may not have any document, but I'm going to give you a hack. I'm going to give you a particular secret, a secret website also that will be able to help you get some of the documents you'll be uploading on this website for you to be earning your $10 each time a student views your website. My name is Linus, and today is your first time of coming across my channel. In this channel, I make videos that teach people how to make money online and also how to scale their online business. If that is the kind of video you want to watch and you like to watch, please make sure that you're going to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload video, just like the one you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to notify you of such videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, please do not fail to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and share it among your family and friends. And also, if you're getting value from this video, please do not fail to give it a thumbs up. Now, if actually you have done all these things, let's go to our particular secret website that is going to make you $10 each time you upload PDF files. That website is known as studypools.com. In studypools.com, you'll be able to become two things. But today we are here for us to become sellers of documents. And if you come to this particular website, you're going to see several things that you can do there. You can either become a seller or also you become a tutor. But today we're going to click on becoming a seller. If you click on this seller, then this website is going to allow you to upload some documents, especially PDF documents of your school materials. Now, if you come over here, you're going to see top earners or top contributors. We have Alamit. Alamit has earned about $94,622, and so many other people have actually made money from this particular website. And there are about three simple steps that you can follow for you to be able to make money from this particular website. The first, what can you upload? You upload your quiz or exam preparations. You upload your old assignments. You can also upload your class notes, and you can upload in multiple languages. You can upload in any particular language in the world. So what you have to do now is you come here, you have to maximize earning, upload more files. But before that, you can also come down here and you look at this pro tip, say help students find your document by growing strong titles. Doing this has shown to increase sales by 480%. Don't have the time to upload document one at a time. Put all your documents in a zip file or folder and we will review and upload them for you. Then the thing you do here is that there are so many things that if you do, that this particular website may reject your documents. One, if you want to maximize your document or your earning, what you need to do is to upload high quality documents, and you also add document details and make sure that you have that all your documents are so meaningful. And if you have low quality document, they will reject it. If you have bad titles, they will reject it. If you duplicate content, they will also reject it. If you upload the content today and tomorrow you upload the same content, they are going to reject it. And if you upload copyrighted content, they will also reject it. Now, these are examples of titles that they can accept on this website. For instance, now, when you see this particular title, essay draft is a very strong content with good grammar and the references. It also has strong title, including school and course. Now, if you have this kind of a title now, it may not actually say study guide. When you have illegible or too blurry, or when the title is too bad and is not including school or course. So make sure that before I'll be showing you different ways that you're able to get your material and how you're going to optimize whatever thing you're going to upload on this particular website. And it's also good for you to go through these frequently asked questions for you to be able to understand some other things that you may be required for you to make some little money from this website. Basically, they approve every correctly uploaded document within 48 hours. Sometimes it can pass more than that. And this website, once you begin to make money, you can also withdraw your money through several means, through PayPal, through Payoneer, and so many other methods. So what you need to do here now, if you click sell documents, so you're going to open up this particular place and you come down here and click upload files. If you click upload files, then you go to your laptop or to your phone and get that particular document that you want to upload into this particular website. Now, if actually you don't have any particular document handy, there's a particular website that will actually give you some document that you can actually go and download documents free of charge. However, this particular website may not be able to give you those documents free, but I'm going to give you a hack through which you can download those documents free. But if you have your document, maybe your school days, your high school, your secondary school, your university documents, you can go and get them. All the quizzes you did while you were in school, all the assignments, all the term papers, and the rest of them, you can get them, upload them here. Each time a student makes use or views any of your document, you are paid $10. Now, let me give you this particular website where you can get some documents you can upload on studypool. Is you go to studodoc.com. You can search this on Google. And once it opens, this particular website has a lot of things. It has about 700 million students, and they are still counting. And we have about 50,000 new study notes added every day from the world's most active student communities. They have about 35 million study resources. They have about 115,000 institutions and about 60 million users. Let's go over to this search button here. If any particular material you want to download from this particular website and upload, what you need to do is you come on this search bar and search for it. Let's say, for instance, now, if you want to search anything, let's say, for instance, on Excel, then you see there are different documents you can download from this website. If you go over to courses, you can have so many courses you can download from this website. But the truth is that all these things are not free to be downloaded. For instance, now if you click on this now, and if it opens, and you want to download now, you see what is this page? This is a preview. Do you want full access? Go premium and unlock all 82 pages. Now see what I'm going to tell you right now. Then go to another website. Okay, go to Google now and search for StudHack GT Hub. StudHack GT Hub. Open it. Then go to this first one here. Click on it. And once it opens, click on this code. If you click on this code, when it opens completely, click on this code, then come down here and click on download zip. Download zip. When you click on this download zip, it's going to download into your system. And once it downloads into your system, so what you need to do is you go to your system, extract it. See where we have already downloaded it here. You go to your system, extract it. So what you have to do once you extract it now, then you come here, you come to your Google Chrome, click I type on Chrome extension, or you come here rather and click on extension. Once you click on extension, you click on manage extension, then you see this place, turn it on to developer mode. When you turn it to developer mode, you come to this load unpacked. Then when you click on this, you will see this person that you have extracted into your system, upload it into Google Chrome. I've already done that. Then if you look at this place here now, you see I've already done it. So what you need to do now, when you've done all these things, You close this, you put this developer mode back, then you come over to this website where you want to get this thing now, then refresh it. Once you refresh it, then what I'm going to do is you click on this download. Click on this download here. Then you see that thing that was actually telling us to upgrade is now giving us the access to download it. So what you need to do in this case, you must save it in your system. Then you can now print Control P. When you have Control P, then you come over here, you can save it as PDF. When you save it as PDF, you click on Save. Then when you click on Save, it has already come over to this place, then you save it. So what you need to do in this case is when this thing gets finished, as when it finishes saving, so what you need to do is you go back to your saved document, then click on upload. When you click on upload, then you go to where you have downloaded all these things now. Click on this place, then like the one I've downloaded before, then you can click on this place, then here. Then what you need to do, so before you upload, do not upload answers you have received as a student or submitted as a tutor on studypool. Failure to comply will result in the removal of the saved document feature on your account and or sanctions. Do not mix poor quality content with high quality content. That will lead to very large processing delays and potentially all content being denied. Documents are typically processed within 48 hours, but can take longer depending on volume. Low quality content mixed with good content will greatly increase processing period. So by the time you click, I understand. So next thing you need to do, you click on confirm. Then you wait for this file to be uploaded. So when this file is uploaded, you're going to give it a title, and then make sure that once you give it a title, give it a very good title. This one has already uploaded, then you click OK. Then once you click OK, then once you finish all this, you can keep going back to this particular website and be downloading different documents. Please make sure that once you download any document, go through it. Please just pause a minute. If you have not subscribed to this my channel, please go back and subscribe to this, because I'll be giving you different ways of making money and different ways of, gathering this dollar. I'll be giving you different videos that will be giving you different ways of making sure that your money keeps going up, And if you subscribe here, please, you can also share this video among your family and friends so that those people who are actually going through financial difficulties will be able to look through this video, will be able to watch this video and also implement what I am doing and telling you people here. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're getting something great from it, and make sure that you're going to share this video, because if you share this video, YouTube algorithm is going to discover it and also make it available for others to watch and get something good from it. Now, if you do all these things, once you have finished getting all these things, see the message you have here, this is a message to confirm that we have recently received documents that we have uploaded. We typically take 2 to 48 hours to process and review documents, but this can take longer depending on the volume we currently have. Remember, only to upload quality study material and do not upload duplicate content. Mixing good and bad content will significantly delay the review process. Then you click OK. So when you have done all these things, what you need to do again, you can go back to this website, get other things that you want to upload, come back to the website here and upload it. Please go to the comment section. If you have any difficulty going through these processes I've mentioned, process of signing up on studypool, process of going to the studygo.hack, and also getting this code, please go to the comment section and comment. I'll always be there to look at all the things you have said, and I'll also be answering all questions that you'll be asking on the comment section. If you have watched to this particular point, thank you for following me. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.